Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your title insurance with Old Republic Title, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your title insurance with Old Republic Title, begin by understanding the importance of title insurance. Title insurance safeguards your investment by protecting against financial loss from defects in the title. First, gather all necessary documents related to your property, including the deed and any previous title policies. Next, review your current title insurance policy to familiarize yourself with its coverage and any exclusions that may apply. Contact Old Republic Title to discuss your current coverage and any concerns regarding your title insurance. It's essential to ask about any potential issues that could arise with your property's title. Request a title search from Old Republic Title to identify any existing liens, claims, or encumbrances on your property. Once the title search is complete, carefully review the report for any discrepancies or issues that need addressing. If issues are identified, work with Old Republic. Regularly monitor your property's title, especially after any major improvements or changes in ownership. Consider purchasing additional coverage if you anticipate any potential risks associated with your property. Stay informed about local laws and regulations that could impact your title insurance coverage. Maintain open communication with Old Republic Title throughout the life of your policy for any updates or changes. In case of a title claim, gather all relevant documentation and reach out to Old Republic Title immediately. They will guide you through the claims process to ensure your interests are protected. Finally, review your title insurance policy periodically to adapt to any changes in ownership or property value. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.